private jet area. Mechanical, because we are all working in an institution.
Yeah.
You've called yourself a musician, a carpenter, a plumber. What must I say?
Yeah.
So when I'm talking about them, no, it's because we are all in the same office.
Yeah.
That is how I can say it. And so because and you know kita kuma wood and you
say na me no more kan abro ni bisa na me ka say ade na duro no nko aso ade na topic I discuss.
Tira bepe enye kuma wood sam na me be kita. We kura me street me wo me street me no mo kura nya no na me pe. Me nka se be ka che me se me na me kita kuma wood da bi.
Me na me de buy and na me go for the
bikusi kwa wo bikusi.
Shatta Wale ama Kumasi aye de na aye feye pa. Na se say ade beka se Shatta Wale e live Westgate Burna Boy and a Davido lifestyle ni bim. Shatta Wale aba Kumasi and oba no so the levels don't change. Normally se Shatta Wale aba Kumasi and Pimpino ye hu say na with the Passion Air and as African World Airline na with the Barbie na. So this time around no Shatta Wale at the private jet in the free Accra aba Kumasi we share one in the team the manager and the boys on mudi nechi na what private jet my bro kwa kofro okotina mu so wo ka ne nan ato so de ne nan ato seat ni be so nom ne champagne say yes levels don't change ankasa. Shatta Wale apart Ghana for nyina say be okaso the biggest and richest artist in Ghana no enye numdwa bi keke enye maf o show workings ambe on say ampasika de e bi adware on Shatta Wale no no bedu Kumasi so de o hwe motos ene enipa pa mo penasam SM fans o matie si krom no mudi no convoy achi na enye easy kra Angela FM okudu hon so no Dr.Likee ene ni team e ko Shatta Wale enim se Shatta Wale ene Dr.Likee mu e wa yonkofa bia Dr.Likee ebeba so beje ni din nyina no Shatta Wale the few people almost started say almost share ni post e wo mo page so magana 4p na anybody Dr.Likee achi inti se ne Shatta Wale abose kromu dia wontumi enko wa bra wo hu Dr.Likee no Dr.Likee ko Clăsh wo Angel FM no Dr.Likee edin sembi etudwa best dot shipping and as mas na medin semi ever sumum wo UK na woni mabia wo ship da Ghana center day and pabode na edi cast evening na no mudi hu djuma on be ship by air anasesi wo Ghana here na mabi so UK obeso nto bi wo Amazon as a fashion oversight on betumi edi hu djuma edi amount on pe omo number sa ego screen so betumi afre na ne best do edi nkomo na ne ma se de tie na ma ship amount sa kanso dwemu e wo Ghana say the SM boss one don papa bi pa Shatta Wale eba Kumasi na de course any.
Hi guys, so as you can see I'm at my Ghana Vision. We're about to jet up to Kumasi or Cycle where I have some few things to do there. I just want to urge everybody, if you want to fly a jet in Ghana, just try and link my Ghana Vision. And they'll treat you good. Shatta Wale. Pa, 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 pa. Okay.
Wale!
Come and fly. Come to my Ghana Vision. I can't yeah, now make quick. What you have done for you? What you have done? Who is calling Yapuno? You know you want to be in a jet. The best jet to be in is Ghana Vision. That's the best charter service we have in Ghana right now. I'm actually flying to Kumasi. As you can see, I'm almost close to my jet. Let me show you. That's my jet. That's my jet right there. Yeah. This is a private jet area. So if you want that, let's just do that. Okay? Best services like that. Check this. It's crazy. You can see my flight is just waiting for me. My jet is just waiting for me. It's crazy.
Yeah. Baby girl, me I no go lie. When I see it, then I did die. Cause you did love me like I love you. Touch me like I touch you. I don't think about you every night. You over me, girl, I know what lie. Cause you they kiss me like I kiss you. I say me sabuwa, unisuwa, na misui. Oro sewa ma, enye mi go. And I'm right, my bounty. I said me put more and 10 beer, freeze up when you fuck, I said, but friend, then I'm bad as yet. It's me crime candlelight, so straight to action. Tell a woman my satisfaction, baby. Mama, I can get mama, before your day, I was an baby. Tell a woman, me, she know what mommy, baby, I'm cool. Baby. Tell a woman, me, she know what mommy, baby, I'm cool. I got a girl, she a London thing. She wanna roll one, smoke one thing. I want to give her a diamond ring, but she say all girls like one thing. She make my happy say like a boom boom. Next time you gonna take it to boom boom. Every time we go boom boom. Hope on the wagon, baby say boom boom. Say cheese, take a picture. Strike a post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Strike a post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Strike a post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Strike a post, make a see, take a picture. Why you don't worry? Why you don't bore? If the love that we share is real, I know you will. Post to me. And for me, post to me. Post me on Twitter. Post to me. Cause post me on Facebook. Post to me. Post me on WhatsApp. Post to me. Post me on Insta. Post to me. Hey, Nana Samurai. My body and my frown. And say so fast and sa. And say they maintain unka. And say maintain unka. If you see my baby, then I'm saying, get a video, I'll check them out. Soske. I'm a boss suspect.
The entire crew, we say, welcome aboard. So this flight is taking us to Kumasi. Ensure we keep it as smooth as possible for each and every one of you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if there's anything to come back to you again, I'll be right back with you. See you on Grand Kumasi.
Thank you, pilot.
America, bad. Don't you know me private is bad. Probably. Why is it here, man? Just support the movement. Peaceful elections. That's what we come to push here. No, this was like I'm coming 40 seconds. I'm not playing it.
from a boss suspect. But hit my me boxing. Get a home to my 135 doctors. If you see my baby, that I'm saying, in a video, I just come up. Semi condana be responsible.
Mechanical, because we are all working in an institution.
Yeah.
You've called yourself a musician, Sako then carpenter, Stombo and plumber. What must I say?
Yeah.
So when I'm talking about them, no, it's because we are all in the same office.
Yeah.
Want to mean country said the American no me boy. But because of the way you're crafting music, yeah, just say stardom, no, I say branding, no, I say who say no. So more ego be. I don't know what kind of ego is it. Like many of the only musician that I talk to in Ghana that listens is medical.
That's the only person.
And since I'm many medical called jail by opportunities, you know, like it's so crazy. Because I feel he's the only person that has seen the light. But the rest of them, they see it like, oh, but Juma radio station, yeah. What I'm talking about is let's get paid. And I get I go to do. Thank you. So why are you not making us get paid? What's now Sama? Whiskey money now, but I'm Bobby Pine. I feel now say I was there before. So you see, I get so pissed with this thing. I go like, no, you allowed yourself. Because time I saw the opportunity to say a friend dino. Now whiskey them but near popular. So what happened? And then Rihanna Monebo whiskey ding. You also got the same opportunity. What did you use it for? It means you didn't realize the business around what you were doing. Yeah. So when I'm talking about them, I'm not talking about them because I feel like because me first no much na montizi ao. Me ko montizi me sell am. Because yes, because the only thing is that I know the people I'm communicating with.
Yeah.
The people I'm communicating with understand what I'm saying. They know that Shatta do ejuma or serious in ejuma no. That's what I'm saying. We are in a radio station.
Yeah.
How can you be complaining about something? Now, bro, I say, na say Mike and then say we what's that one? Oh, but say Mike
fix it.
Yes. So these are the things I've been talking about. So when I talk about these things and people get offended with it, I go like, okay, cool. Media no crano, whether they like it or not, I will say it because if you read Jeremiah, what must I say?
Yeah.
Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 10 going downwards, or say, do not be afraid because I am with you, said the Lord. What must I say? God said, I'll send you to kings and queens, speak into their faces. And I believe in that. Whether you are a king or a queen, say, oh, ye be na adiana nya. Me tribe we are make basho de oh no. Say be untia na ma ba hard also.
And the Obana big.
Oh no, me bana very loud, it's a rocket. Because I didn't make maybe I'm person mama kwan na me person mama kwan no. So I'll come hard. Next time me new wash no make say the thing we go jam you know be boat we be trailer. Me the before because I feel say who wasting me time because bro like on a real Shatta Wale and certain artists in Ghana should have been on the international stage right now. Ask yourself why. Because of how they've nurtured Ghana music and how they crash our heads together. I mean, it's on train.
Yeah.
Because God chose him. Obia Fili say, na like it na. So no commando or movie. Like it pa. But to me nyama bia me to me stress na me use.
Yeah.
Why? Because the time and the season that God has chosen for him is now.
Yeah.
We don't fight chosen ones. That is how I can say it. And so be because enya no kita kuma wood enyo
say na me no more kan abro ni bisa na me ka say ade na aduro no nko aso ade na topic aye discuss
tira bepe enya kuma wood seminar me be kita we kura me street me wo me street me no wo mo kura anya no na me pe me nka se be ka che me se me na me kita kuma wood da bi street po me na me su apart from street you know me emu ne say de bia metimi enya akwara ogina traffic mienu miensa no so abetwa bi
no nya bibia
no so abe star asa asa enya me na ena like na dabi
me na me de buy ena me first ena go for the
bikusi kwa wo bikusi bikusi sounds a me bo hu ni di odi o artist na di super so odi su ne fe no super odi wadane eja osofu dazi wadane eja bikusi woko sk opon turumutu oko wo de na abeje enti en kamom ne mo bo enwuamo ne move together ne enko
Mempire me bonfire short change yankopon say mempire mbo say God bless me so I can become a blessing to others. Mempire mbo ano.
That's what I pray on stage every time.
I say I'm hwe boy say gina wo chia me say bra we may ni bi na woni mu no. The pia young for
yeah.
And wo chi
onum de.
Onwene won ko a wo ye.
Oso ogini onum de.
The chance I say onwene onon ko a na.
Aha, me gas so we onum.
He don't think about
he don't think about himself.
It's a blast.
Now also what there. Now also what there.
Also we million
Makwaji adwuma. Bi nnuane Kumasi. Papa Kumasi bo. Etime ma ne bi menya ne dai. Ye nyina chef mu me move on.
Yeah.
Wa be ka chire no wo ka ye ko. Ye ko entime de wo ko ka se na wo na wo kura na enye no sade one don kan sika. Flus. Arab ni friend flus. Sika ene ye pe. L'argent. What you say? Sikani ba na nkura no. This no. Ohwe system na ekona nkura ni kura ideas. Nti ada ne man nkura ne so chance.
Na bo amanfo person mbura nipa edi mu achi. No, na a distraction na say ade na mo ye na nya omo fa na.
Ohun say yemhwe one dom. Starting from bandana.
Yeah.
Bandana ni ye hu no he no okose. Oba no te se kakai obonwuma
okono so ankra obi a
nyum na ya na mo nhye da nte ase o na nse wode ba ko bia ba matrasi a wose wash die
papa omo de ye challenge ke show
papa di adwiri koi okay matrasi na ahwejam ti an wanchi aside dey
abem
and I'm me hu ba bia ade wa kwa aside dey
yes
no a rasta watcha enye nipa nyina na abekwa
obetimi asaba
me ne frame rasta ne me di movie achi sa day because untimi mfa busiri e me play Mr. B role
Dabi
Mr. B untimi me dani busiri
yeah
ba me metimi afri busiri abeba Mr. B a opa mama baso
na se se
me ami hu me ho se me ko ena de wo ye no untimi nu meda because ya bu mi street sa me hwe machi o e dey them 3 gina court 7 times me di for a be 2 pe oh yeah
2 ni e pe
oh say what you say enti de wo me obi abedi ada obedi di matem me mfi blay na mpana asem na do mi a me ba ko abro Osmasa dawa asem na
okay I was
Abro, wani like ni.
Abro, what's your same career?
Apart from way ubisa obia.
Ubia.
Me shi akwa na edi matam zunua. Na nse do twabo macho. In fact, Debbie, ye nua fo. Ebi okwa na me chia. Ne nipa no nim se me ye dey. Me chia. Ana me sad wo adwene be. Me ma adwene se metu kwan akobunu ho akopa akora bia onim atena me sad na ba o. Etinya wo de no. Minya me wan don nwum tie wi a.
But esi anka rasta ne ke gusu a ehso sanka bu a.
De tie ne se uhu se wu nyina na unya na mimi ni sa pampa de krasa. De papa.
We dey o do there.
De pa.
It will be am na papa.
Oh, there be say e maya.
What dey say chest and flesh o.
Oh, it's bra twem kura twa ho hia. Da bia me kan twem ko de twem kura twa ho hia.
Yeah.
Won say da bia no ni say bla evimu awade mami bi.
Yeah.
So enti mesre. We na kofa ba yo na ho na kofa ehun.
Obi afa na asem ko.
Ehun hia. Mum ye move on.
Ba one don. E be ye ade kese bi e wo Kumasi. me quote am de na mo we aspire we rise by lifting others. We rise by lifting others.
One day abotri ne kakra
we rise by lifting others.
But you say you huru agent any paso.
Hey.
Okay.
We rise by lifting others.
Professor Bachanya no.
Canadian.
Yes. Obi amiko KTI. What couple of focus him KTI. I say ye koyi ni mu abrabom.
Yes. We rise by lifting others.
Yeah.
Somebody or ranting about you, even in the industry. Last time Oba say, you need to your point dear no. She said, Shatta, me penasempa na nipe one who mo kana kuma. I will see buoni papa. Oka hono kwa kan e confirm say that part of you, because people more ben you know be akase wakoma kama wakoma kama. So when you mention say obekele Blacko carrier did you mean it?
Bro, you see me, let somebody enter the room and try to kill me, I'll kill the person. I don't play with God's directions. Ebi a tia no be the two abesi so obekun me nya chance na meji to no me they were metting no. Me I deal with God's judgment. I am not the best person to judge. But see so be the two abesi so. Na want me say nyame o the two me so save me o nipa no bepo pom nyame mba me save.
Remember,
God wants us to just understand that this life it is tit for tat. What do I say?
Yeah.
I have met artists in the industry that have come and go. I mean, more examples now. They're making it.
Yeah.
They started crashing my head with Samini. It didn't work. They brought it to Sarkodie. It didn't work. They brought it to Stoneboy. It didn't work. It shifted back to Yapono. It didn't work. Some people have come to pass through. It didn't work. No, so until Ubian is not saying you say. And then I'm person won't find a black sheriff. No? Like nobody's thinking about that. Say, I then have a strong conversation.
Yeah.
It is sad. It is disgracing. Because so many people money in Casano. Bro, me you're too okay. Oh. Like me you're too okay. Say, me no cause it's not. Me rats. No, me you're too okay. Me the person me no am for myself and my people around me.
Yeah.
At least me ska bi kaka dollar bi kaka na ma sami hu kaka abromanya like kiswanya bi kaka na yasre. So if you're having a conversation today, Shatta Wale black sheriff beef, bro, like enyom ni wu. No, you say secret but like bro say it's like what?
Yeah.
They be na mo po bia mame.
But knowing you trying to make sure someone for be rise it, how can say and ma erase it?
No, because black sheriff no, and then no. You see what I'm saying? You are not getting what I'm saying.
I'm listening.
I said they crashed my head with Samini.
Yeah.
So Nyama mo catch Samini. Samini felt he was bigger than me.
You do.
When I'm like no more industry, they be no more catch. Oh, bro, we want to me person use your brand. Bro, me use your beer brand. Me to say Dr.Likee.
SM fans of Kumasi mani aje because yankasa SM boss aba na showing Dr.Likee yonko fan so a great tip and in a private jet or the buy is over social media baby it's a one done because who say artists be too quiet or private jet muda Shatta Wale pe and ne waye bi amaye nyina ye hum Remy Spices ko market na ko pe bi to ye aduane bi make sure so de bi be ye na e be ye de e de mo seasoning powder no ye wo chicken de wo ho ye wo fish ye wo goat and na cow wo ye meat be na wo steam ya betumi de afa ho na amaduane no aye de e wo natural taste into the aduane e mane de ye pa ye wo jollof mix wo ho tomato de ho na wo ye stew be betumi de afra wo ye nkontomre wo stew de na e be bo Remy de gan ha se enye na of supermarket bi e be won the market bi na obenya bi e wo ho atom Shatta Wale guswa eto Kumasi any updates be by ever since so ede bremo medin edeka etri akose wakra wonyina
yeah. Baby girl me I no go lie I did die. Cause you did love me like I love you. Touch me like I touch you. I don't think about you every night. You over me, girl, I no go lie. Cause you dey kiss me like I kiss you. I say me sabuwa, uni suwa, na mi suai. Ora sewa ma, enie mi go. And I'm right, my bounty. I said me bo mo and tembe every step when you focus, boyfriend and a badass, yeah. It me cry me candlelight, so straight to action. To a woman my satisfaction, baby. Mama wa give you mama, before you was it.